Hello, my name is Christine and I'm the SpeedMath instructor at Summit Life Learning Center. So what is SpeedMath? SpeedMath is a special training program where the abacus is used as a tool to calculate mathematical equations mentally. So this program is designed to train your children on how to quickly and accurately process the 4 basic methods of arithmetic operations. So what's the benefit of learning the abacus? Learning the abacus powers not only your child's mathematical skills, but other cognitive skills and abilities. For example, their visual and auditory skills. So their visual skills could be visualizing the abacus or imagining it in their head, and their auditory skills could be listening to it when the speaker is saying different digits. Learning the abacus also activates the right hemisphere of the brain and lengthens their attention span. So learning the abacus really requires a lot of focus. So how does the abacus work? So it's separated by levels. So level 10 is the starting level, and level 1 is the highest level. So level 10 focuses on addition and subtraction and the basics of abacus, and level 9 focuses on multiplication and division. So for the other examples, I'll be strictly talking about just level 10. So usually my classes are divided by age. So junior classes are JK to grade 1 and senior classes are grade 2 to grade 6. So both classes will be learning the same thing, but the junior class is much more simplified for the younger kids, and the senior class has more advanced problems and harder questions. So students who are doing very well get to participate in competitions where we collab with SpeedMath branch in Mississauga. So what do my classes look like? So level 10 is broken down into 3 different tests. So test 1 is just on basic bead recognition and the first 2 formulas they would have learned, which is plus and minus 5 formula, where their answers will be 1 digit. Test 2 is tested on the previous formulas learned, plus and minus 5, and then 2 new formulas learned, which is plus and minus 10, where their answers will be 2 digits. And lastly, the exam tests on without abacus listening, where it's a listening test without physically having the abacus there, and they'll have to do it mentally. And then the second part is with the abacus on all the rest of the formulas previously learned, and then 2 new ones, which should be 6 up and 6 down formula. And they're usually with 6 digits in a row. So during classes, there's usually a listening test that occurs where I would say 4 different digits, and the student, without looking at the equation, has to use their abacus and just write down the answer. This really helps with their auditory skills. Then there's also classwork problems where the student gets to practice the new formulas that are learned in class. And then lastly, I like to incorporate a really fun game for the kids to keep them engaged, and it's usually a game that involves having the abacus to play. So if you're interested in joining us, we're offering a free trial class where I teach the kids some basic skills on using the abacus and reading the abacus. And if you want more information, you contact 289-684-4790. Thank you.